the patient is given a 30% glucose solution, what is the mass of glucose in 250 grams of water?
Okay, so now we're starting with 250 grams of water, but what is water with these SOL words? Is it being dissolved, doing the dissolving, or the total amount? The water part. It's dissolving. This water is dissolving glucose to make a solution. So that means the water is the solvent. So like the glucose is like the Kool-Aid packet. The water is what you mix the Kool-Aid packet with in order to make Kool-Aid. So water would be the solvent. Gram solvent has to go on the bottom so that it cancels. And the question is asking, what is the mass of glucose? So which SOL word is just the glucose? That would be the grams of solute. Grams solvent cancel, so we're left with grams of solute. The numbers that go in the parentheses in this case are the two parts that make the total of 100. So out of 100, 30 grams is the glucose, which is the solute. So 30 goes here. So if we have 100 grams of total and 30 grams of it is solute, then how many grams of solvent do we have? 70. So 70 is the number that goes in the parenthesis. So you take 250 times 30 divided by 70. What this is saying, this is a relationship. So for every 30 grams, we need 70 grams of water. Well, in this problem, we were given 250 grams of water instead of 70. So that means we would need 107.14 grams of the glucose in order to have the same equivalency. I think the hardest part, again, is figuring out which part is which SOL word.
Yeah, I don't really understand really where you're pulling that out of the question.
That's the hard part. It's usually the water is the solvent, and then whatever the sugar is, it's the solute. So in this case, glucose is the solute and water is the solvent. I'll do more of those for you later. That's the only ones that are in my notes though. All right, what's the other ones I starred?